Hello, I'm Bruce Brightwell, an elder law and estate planning attorney in Louisville and Southern Indiana. Thank you for taking time to explore the topic, protecting your assets in case you have to go into a nursing home. Today's workshop consists of this video and 8 individual key topic videos. I will show the basics of estate planning and what you need for a complete estate plan, even if you never go into a nursing home. Let's review those 8 key topics. Number 1, keeping control or access to your assets. Number 2, knowing your creditors. Number 3, understanding Medicaid. Number 4, understanding wills and probate. Number 5, understanding trusts. Number 6, plan when you can. Number 7, working with qualified professionals. And number 8, understanding the real costs. I recommend watching this workshop series in order so you can get the most from it. There's an outline on my website that you can print out and take notes on as you go through the workshop. Before we begin, I'd like to provide some information about my background. I've been practicing since 1992 with an emphasis on elder law, estate planning, and probate. I'm a member of the National Academy of Elder Law Attorneys and am the executive editor of its law journal. I taught the classes at the University of Louisville Law School for decedents' estates and elder law. My full biography is also available on my website. So if you're ready to begin, let's get started with the first key topic,